One of the biggest changes happening right now in aesthetic medicine is that patients still want enhancement. They just don't want to look obvious anymore. A lot of patients want shape and contour, but they still want movement, softness, and the results that look believable on their body. That is why regenerative approaches like Neustem combined with proprietary fat injection treatments techniques are becoming so popular. Even up until a couple of years ago, patients really only thought about traditional fat transfer. They're basically taking liposuction fat from one part of the body and putting it in another part. That involved anesthesia, recovery time, surgical time, and a lot of risks involved and all that. And now, there are newer approaches that can improve contour and projection with much less downtime and much easier recovery. Basically, usually within an hour, people can go home. And honestly, it is also a really good option for women who don't simply have enough donor fat for traditional fat transfer procedures. And I think that's it. The future of aesthetic medicine is really moving toward softer, more elegant results that still look natural in real life. Yeah, one of the things that I tell my patients is that the neck usually ages faster than the rest of your body, your face and your chest even. A lot of patients focus on their face, rightfully so, for years and completely ignore the neck, unfortunately. But the skin on your neck is thinner, collagen breaks down faster, and there is really less structural support overall on your neck. So over time, you start seeing crepiness, textural changes, looseness of your skin, and all of those early signs of aging show themselves on your neck. That is why there are treatments that I use in my office like micromatrix and cool laser. They can really make such a difference because they help improve skin quality, texture, elasticity, collagen stimulation without making you look like you've been overly done or have had a plastic surgery. Most patients today are not trying to look dramatically different. They're just trying to look like the way they did 5 years ago. And they want a healthier looking skin. They want to look fresher, more rested, and more refined. And honestly, with proper care, the neck doesn't have to look more so dramatically different than the rest of your face over time. And I always tell my patients to bring their skincare all the way down to your neck, especially with your SPF, because prevention really goes a long way and makes a huge difference over a long term. A lot of people think facial aging is only about wrinkles and hollowness, but honestly, one of the biggest parts of aging is structural changes, structural loss that we have. As we get older, we lose bone density, we have loss of support, and the tissue starts shifting downward, especially around your cheeks and your jawline, and that's how you start to look older. And a lot of people, that's how they age. And that is why facial contouring today is very different from what it was even a few years ago. In the past, what used to be was that a lot of treatment was focused on just adding more volume everywhere. And sometimes that can create heaviness and puffiness when it's done too superficially. In my practice, the way I do these treatments with Neustem is completely different. The approach is much more structural. The injections are placed deeply close to the bone and sometimes into the bone itself in the areas where support actually naturally diminishes over time. Over the age of 30, we start to lose our bone structure, and I need to replace that. So the goal is not to make someone look filled. The goal is to restore contour, balance, and the structure in a way that it looks very natural. And I always remind my patients that bone health is the most important thing you need to have in your face and for your health overall. That is why I often recommend my patients to take calcium, magnesium, vitamin D, vitamin K. We actually give it to our patients when they get these treatments done, because supporting bone health long-term is important, not just aesthetically, but medically and for your health as well. And that keeps you looking healthy, because looking healthy looks good. One of the biggest trends I've seen going into 2026 is definitely the non-surgical facelift. Patients still want lifting, tightening, contour, better skin quality, but they don't necessarily want that plastic surgery look or a dramatic transformation at this time. So most patients today want to look like themselves, just healthier and more refreshed. And The best results that I can achieve for my patients usually come from combining different treatments together in a very customized way. It could be regenerative Neustem injections that stimulate collagen production, or laser skin resurfacing, or USRF skin tightening. Different things working together instead of relying on one treatment to do the whole job alone. One thing people don't realize is that natural looking work is actually the hardest type of aesthetic medicine to do and to do well. I can give a syringe to anyone and they can overfill your face, and that's the easy part. The difficult part is creating a result where someone looks healthier, more rested, fresher, but nobody can really tell exactly what changed in their face. That takes a lot of restraint, a deep understanding of anatomy, balance, facial movement, and really a good sense of aesthetics. And fortunately, patients today are much more educated than they were years ago. Most people are not asking for exaggerated trends anymore. They want subtle refinement. They want to still look like themselves, just perhaps a little bit better. To me, the best, they want subtle refinement. They want to look like themselves, just a little bit fresher. And to me, the best aesthetic work is when somebody just looks good, more confident, more energized, but still completely natural. And to do that, you have to find someone who has a really great aesthetic sense, great experience, and knows what they're doing. So do your research and find someone who really knows how to give you those fantastic results.